Welcome back to Texelated, Isolated with Technology. Today I'm going to do a little something different. I'm going to update you guys on the laptop that I unboxed about 8 months ago. I can't remember exactly how long ago it was. About 8 months ago. And that was the MSI GF65 Thin 10UE with the GPU from Nvidia, the 3060 mobile. And yeah, I'm updating you guys on how I'm using the laptop, and I'm using the laptop to mine. So what you guys didn't know is the day I did that unboxing, I'll link it in the description, and you'll probably see it floating at the top. What you guys didn't know is I unboxed 6 of these laptops in total. So I have 6 of these laptops mining. They've been mining since the day I unboxed the laptop, and just giving you a little background on what's going on and how it's going. So let's take a look here. Getting a little glare, but I'm sure you could see it. So basically, I'm mining Ethereum. Been mining Ethereum since day one. I'm using MinerStat to manage all the computers. They're all linked up, and each computer is getting, give or take, 38.22 mega hash. It's not bad. The computers have almost paid for themselves. Give it a couple more months and these computers are paid off. Let's just go into what I'm using in the Dragon settings. So basically, I have the booster on, and it's been running like this since day one. Oh, and just so you know, it's an i7 10750H, and I'm running the fans in extreme performance. Probably can't see that. I just hope to make the money back prior to these laptops burning out, and with the intentions of Ethereum going up and up and up. So that's the whole idea. So far it's been doing very well. These computers are mining like crazy, non-stop. But the good thing about mining on laptops is if the power goes out for short periods of time, these laptops continue to chug away. But let's not forget, I also have a battery pack inside my modem, whereas if the power goes out to that, it still continues to deliver data and receive data. So it's the ideal situation for a short-term power outage. So let's go to the MSI Afterburner just to give you an idea of how I've overclocked this. Let's close that. So those are my settings currently. Very stable, no errors. Been running like this, like I said, for give or take 8 months. So that's pretty much it. That's the update of the MSI GF65 gaming laptops using the 3060 Nvidia graphics card. Got these laptops for about, give or take, $1,800 to $2,000 each, and there's 6 in total. There's 3 at this location, and I have 3 at another location. And if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to let me know. and I'll answer everybody as soon as possible. With that said, thank you for joining me inside the isolation chamber. You've been watching Texelated, Isolated with Technology, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.